Hey, friend. I'm glad we're drawing together again today. Let's learn how to draw some balloons. Balloons are just kind of a big oval. It gets a little smaller at the bottom. And then I usually draw part of a triangle. If we finished our triangle, it would come up like that. So the bottom of a triangle on an oval. Let's draw a few more balloons in our group. Just keep drawing your oval with your triangle at the bottom. How many balloons should we do? Let's see how many look nice. We've got 3, 4, I think I'm going to erase this last. Because really this oval is going to go behind the other balloons. There we go. I'm going to draw another one right there. And then we can draw the strings coming down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 5 strings. We'll make a bow. It's just 2 ovals. And then 2 strings down. Maybe we'll make it look like there's more strings. Perfect. Then we can color in our balloons. I like to draw kind of a bent rectangle to show that they're shiny. What do you think? You can do with or without shine on your balloons. And that's cool. However you like it. Oh, this is the fun part. We get to color them all kinds of colors. Let's see. Let's do green balloon. Maybe a red balloon. Let's do this one red. Oops, I forgot the shiny part. Red. What about a blue one? On the edge of our red one. It's the green one like I did the blue one. Maybe we'll do a pink balloon. One more. Let's do orange. Kind of light orange. I might trade that for a darker one. So we can see it better. You can always change your mind, especially if it's a darker color, and just go over it like I did. You never know. I put 2 colors on there. Well, you know, so you did it with me. You can always change your stuff with your art, whatever you like. Let's do some black strings on our balloons. Let's trace these lines so we can see them better. Do the bow. There we go. Then I decided I wanted to outline like this. Where the balloons meet. I'm going to pull out my crayons to color in my balloons. Color in our green balloon. What's next? Our red balloon. That's a nice red. Oops, I broke my crayon. That's okay. And still use this pen. That's smaller now. Blue. There we go. There's our balloons. I'm proud of you. Keep drawing. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. This helps me make more videos for you. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.